Well, Dean had his little soap-powered metal boats, and I had spinning metal things. What about soap-powered metal spinning things? It can be done. First of all, look at this. This doesn't spin, but it's interesting nonetheless. It's a bit of fly wire, and if I cut it off and make a little piece like that, despite the fact that it's metal and is full of holes, it floats surprisingly well. Plonk it under the water, and it sits there. It would actually carry quite a load if I wanted to load it up. But it will only work if the glass is absolutely free of detergent, the water is free of detergent, and this bit of fly wire is free of detergent and pretty clean. Any detergent spoils the whole trick, and it would also spoil the trick of the spinning metal thing, because that relies upon making a coil of wire out of something like this, one piece of fly wire, or something similar. You take the end, kink it over, and then start wrapping it round itself while you hold it between your thumb and forefinger. You see it's coiling up there. You might find that fly wire is a bit stiff and it won't coil up tightly enough. Well, almost anything else will do, fuse wire or just thin copper wire, but you should be able to wrap it round itself into an increasingly tight spiral. And you'll find, when you do it, it'll look like that. That's a bit of electrical wire. Now we have to put it under the water. Again, get a bowl with no detergent and absolutely clean water. You can either lower it in with a spoon if you're chicken-hearted, or plonk it from the top if you're not. I'll take a risk and plonk it, bring my fingers down to the surface of the water, and let the spiral go. And it sits on top very nicely indeed. Now all you have to do is to get some soap. I like it slightly damp because it peels off and dissolves faster. But cut yourself a flake of that, drop it as far as you can into the centre of the spiral, and it should begin to spin. And it'll go for simply ages.